Hi, Dr. Sharma. And everybody in this domain facing a problem of cut practice. So what do you think of this problem and how we can overcome it?
Yeah, it is a very good question and very relevant also, because there are so many doctors who are actually facing this problem. If you are also facing this problem, and try to find out a way, you to watch this video till the end.
Hi, my name is Amit Singh Moga, and I have done MBA from IIM Ahmedabad and BTech from IIT Roorkee. I've been in corporate sector for 12 plus years.
Hello, I'm Doctorpreneur. I have done my MBBS, MS and MCH from All India Institute of Medical Sciences, and I am in healthcare domain for the last 15 years.
So Dr. Sharma, what is the way out?
The way out is to strengthen yourself. There are 3 points which you should always consider. First is, you should make your brand. You should be the person to go in any problem in that particular domain. You improve the patient care experience and give them good quality care services. And third is, you listen to the feedback. Be open to suggestions and try the corrective action. So if you want to learn all this and much more, we are having a webinar in the time mentioned below. Please click and get registered for the workshop.
Button below, register for the next workshop. It's free, and you will also get an ebook right after the registration. So click the link below, and we will see you in the workshop. Bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you.